Welcome to the International Linguists Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is video 3 of the Learn French series, and today we will be looking at personal pronouns and vocabulary related to families. Let's start from personal pronouns. I, je. You, singular and informal. Tu. He. Il. She. Elle. One or we. Oh. We. Nous. You, plural/formal. Vous. They, masculine. Il. They, feminine. Elle. Family. Famille. Father. Père. Mother. Mère. Parents. Parents. Son. Fils. Daughter. Fille. Brother. Frère. Sister. Sœur. Grandfather. Grand-père. Grandmother. Grand-mère. Grandparents. Grands-parents. Grandson. Petit-fils. Granddaughter. Petite-fille. Uncle. Oncle. Aunt. Tante. Nephew. Neveu. Niece. Niece. Cousin, male. Cousin. Cousin, female. Cousine. Husband. Mari. Wife. Femme épouse. Child. Enfant. Children. Enfant. Stepfather. Beau-père. Stepmother. Belle-mère. Stepson. Beau-fils. Stepdaughter. Belle-fille. Father-in-law. Beau-père. Mother-in-law. Belle-mère. Brother-in-law. Beau-frère. Sister-in-law. Belle-sœur. Son-in-law. Gendre. Daughter-in-law. Bru. Godfather. Pareil. Godmother. Marraine. Godson. Fille. Goddaughter. Fille. Thank you for watching, and we will meet again in the next video.